What it do? It's your boy CJ, aka Mr. Grim Reaper. I'm about to do a quick little piece about my life and all that because I had a lot of people tell me to do it, and so I'm just gonna do it. Whatever you think about it, man. This one I really don't care. It's my life, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Why do I live by this code of honor? Know your boy CJ is high like the sauna. Trying to live a life without a lot of drama. Bust you in your head, leave you with massive blood trauma. Doing my thing, just trying to stay on my grind. Doing things right and trying to stack dimes, penetrating the walls of this game and trying to make your mind know my flow is sick and it blows up your mind. This is a story about me and my life and how I do it. I'm just telling you, I don't really care how you view it, cause I did a lot of things that were really bad and wrong. Who knows, you might not even like me by the end of this song. Just stealing things out the store wherever I go, thinking it would give them respect, man. It's for sure. I even took things from my friends, they wonder when it's gonna stop it, and it's like a certain trend that I wouldn't bend, and it's hard to keep justice and peace. Can't even go to bed cause you getting watched in your sleep. Pen people get hit a lot, their jaws always leak. And my heart broke by this girl, man, she was a freak, man. I'm just gonna tell you how it goes. Seeing people put in stretchers and then took off to funeral homes, man. It's fresh from the dome, I'm getting it all off my chest and just going and breaking out the stone. Having females that don't like you, just play with your feelings and they blow you off cause you was bored. Man, I'm independent, that's why I get what I take what I can get. That's why I look to this mic so I can go ahead and spit. It's like I really did dirty. That's why I try not to worry. If I get mad, I'm gonna bury every day. I wake up early, cause you know me. They call me Mr. Murray, cause I'm quick to roam the streets. It's the same thing every hour, every day, every week. That's why I try to wreck every song I'm on, so when you hear it, you can be like, damn, he's cold. This is what I like to do in my spare time. You people's breath stink just like some pork rinds in this world. Committing a lot of crimes. It's like a get on this mic and mess with people's mind, and it's no field. I look to this mic to make me money and get meals. So what really is the deal? And you just want a quick feel, haha. You just don't know how to live. I'm just playing the game. That's how it goes. Look, I'm trying to decide which door to go through. About to show you what to do. Quick to grab the chopper, then your brain's gonna spew. This is what I do on a regular basis, and I'm going and tying the game by its laces. And I can tell they all still racist. I'm opening your eyes like police be doing old cases, and yeah.